Grease buildup in your Ninja Woodfire? Here's how to deep clean it. If your Ninja Woodfire is dripping grease, smells burnt, or looks coated in buildup, it's time for a deep clean. Here's how to reset it back to fresh. Step 1. Unplug and cool the unit fully. Never clean while warm. Let the grill cool completely before touching any greasy surfaces. Step 2. Remove all parts and soak them in hot, soapy water. Take out the grill grate, drip tray, grease tray, and pellet box. Let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes to loosen built-up grease. Step 3. Scrub with a non-scratch sponge or soft brush. Work away at any hardened grease or residue. For stubborn spots, apply baking soda paste or a degreasing spray. Just rinse thoroughly afterward. Step 4. Wipe the interior walls and burn pot with a microfiber cloth. Grease splatter can coat the inside over time. Wipe gently around the sides, top, and under the lid. No harsh chemicals needed. Step 5. Clean the control panel and buttons last. Use a slightly damp microfiber cloth to wipe grease or smudges. Don't spray anything directly on the buttons. Let everything dry completely before reassembling, and check the grease tray often during future cooks to avoid buildup. If this helped bring your grill back to life, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more maintenance guides that actually work. And if you want to make cleanup easier next time, we've linked a grill degreasing spray in the description that's safe and effective. Thanks for watching, and grill fresh!